Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you download Visual Studio Code on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So now here on the web browser, search here for the Visual Studio 2026. Now go to this first link. So here you can see here are some versions of Visual Studio Code are showing. So let me download the community version. So click on this download community. So here you can see the downloading has been started. So let's wait till the downloading ends. So as you can see here, the downloading is completed. Now double click it to launch the installer. If any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. Now click on continue. So here you can see it is now installing on my computer. So let's wait till this launches on my computer. So here you can see Visual Studio installer is launching. It is now getting the things ready for me. So let's wait. So from here, you have to click on this install while downloading, or you can also choose the install. So by clicking on it, you can install the Visual Studio Code and it will install on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.